x square minus 25 under square root upon x minus 5 under square root is equal to 10. We have to find the value of x. So let's first cross multiply it. So it will be x square minus 25 is equal to 10 times x minus 5 under square root. Now to remove the square root, we square both the sides. So it will be x square minus 25 under square root whole square is equal to 10 times x minus 5 under square root whole square. Now we can remove this square root with this square. So it will be x square minus 25 is equal to, now this is in the term of a times b whole raised to the power of m, and this is equal to a raised to the power m times b raised to the power m. So as per this property, it will be 10 raised to the power 2, and this square root gets cancelled with this square. So it will be times x minus 5. 10 square is 100, so we can write here 100. Now x square minus 25 is equal to 100x minus 500, or we can write it as x square minus 100x minus 25 plus 500. We sent 100x minus 500 to the left hand side, so the sign changed, is equal to 0, or x square minus 100x plus 475 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. We can factorize it. So we have to find two numbers whose product is equal to 475 x square times 475, and whose addition or difference should be equal to 100x. So let's factorize 475. So 5 times 95 is 475. And if we add 95 plus 5, it will be 100. So we can write x square minus 95x minus 5x minus 95 minus 5x will be minus 100x plus 475 is equal to 0. Now let's factor out x here. So x minus 95, and here we can factor out minus 5. So x minus 95 minus minus will be plus is equal to 0. Now x minus 95 here is common. So this is one factor, and x minus 5 is another factor, is equal to 0. So this means we have two solutions. So this means we have two solutions for x. First is when x minus 95 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 95, and when x minus 5 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 5. Now let's check which value of x is the answer. If we put 95 here, it will be 95 square minus 25 under square root upon 95 minus 5 under square root. If we write 25 as 5 square, then this is in the term of differences of square. So we can write 95 plus 5 times 95 minus 5, because a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b upon 95 minus 5 is 90. We can write this numerator and denominator under one square root. So this is 100 times 95 minus 5 is 90 upon 90 under square root. 90 gets cancelled. So 100 under square root, and this is equal to 10. If we put 5 here, then this is 5 square is 25. 25 minus 25 is 0. 0 upon any denominator is equal to 0. So 5 is not the answer. X will be 95. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.